How to change Supercell ID email in Brawl Stars. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can change your Supercell ID email in Brawl Stars in the easiest way. Now, if you are a Brawl Star player, then you probably signed yourself up with Supercell. Now, basically, Supercell goes ahead and allows you to create different IDs on different games that you're playing. So, as we know, Supercell has Boom Beach, Clash of Clans, Heyday, Clash Royale, Brawl Stars, and even Squad Busters. Now, let's say you want to go ahead and change your ID email on Brawl Stars. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Brawl Stars, and over here, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to account where it says change your Supercell ID email. We're going to click on that, and once you click on that, what's going to happen over here is you're going to scroll down. Now, it's going to be telling you to going ahead and changing your ID email through these steps. Now, you can go ahead and change it through those steps, but in some cases, it might not work. Okay. So, in that case, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click here. Once you click here, what it's going to be doing is it's going to take you through to the help and support or chat support that they provide you. So, to go over to the chat support, simply go over here. And once you come over here, make sure to go ahead and have the live chat option opened up for you. Now, to directly change it through your game, what you're simply going to do is you're going to log on here and you're going to click on the settings option and you can change your email status simply from this section. But if you're unable to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to their help and support and you're going to tap the blue message bubble. Okay. And what that does is it brings you to live chat support where they're going to give you responses. What you're going to do is you're going to select the response, login, and Supercell ID issues. And from there on out, you're simply going to explain to them that you want them to change your Supercell ID. They might ask you for some verification. Go ahead and provide that to them. And that is basically how you're going to be changing your Supercell ID in Brawl Stars. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.